Good morning, math wizards and math masters. Happy Wednesday to you. I hope you had a good Cinco de Mayo and enjoyed that video that I put in the social studies section. I know I said I was going to do science, but I forgot about Cinco de Mayo. So I said, you know what? We'll do a little Cinco de Mayo video. Well, today's Eureka math lesson, let me tell you, is difficult. So we're going to cover this in 3 days. And I'm going to go at a very slow pace. So get ready to go at a very slow pace. So what I'd like you to do is get out your scratch paper and put it on yield horizontal, not the vertical, but the horizontal. Like that, like so. Put it at a little bit of an angle. Come on back over here, camera. One of these days I'm going to have a real TV studio all set up. Alrighty, there we go. So go ahead and write down the following fractions along with me. 2 7/8, 3 1/6, and last, an improper fraction, 29 twelfths. So mixed number, improper fraction. Let's go ahead, and what we're going to do is going to plot the following points on the number line without measuring. Okay? So we're going to plot the following points on the number line without measuring. Well, because we're not in class and Mr. Leggett's not there to guide you with his expertise, we're going to do a little measuring, okay? So let's get out a number line, and like I said, I'm going to go super slow on this lesson because boy, oh boy, this is a difficult one. So there's our number line. We're going to start at 2, 3, and 4. So get that down on your number line. Okay, so let's look at our denominators. We have 8ths, 6ths, and 12ths. Well, to me, it would make sense to do the 6ths first, okay? So let's break this down into 6 units between each whole number. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, okay? So there's 2 1/6, 2 2/6, 2 3/6, 2 4/6, 2 5/6, 3. Let's do the same thing. 3 1/6, 3 2/6, 3 3/6, 3 4/6, 3 5/6, 4. So we get to 6 6. That's one whole, right? 1 2 3 4 5, one whole. 1 2 3 4 5, one whole. All right. So let's plot where 3 1/6 will reside on this number line. So let's think about it. We have 3 1/6, right? So I'm going to put a dot right here. And there we have 3 1/6. Easy enough, you say, but let's continue on. Let's make these 6ths 8ths, okay? Now I don't want to just scrunch them up here. I'll find, how many do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got to add 2 more. I'm just going to look for spaces where I have a lot. Let's take a look at now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like I need 1 more, and I'll put it right there. How about? Oh, right here. A lot of space there. So let's double check. 2 1/8, 2 2/8, 2 3/8, 2 4/8, 2 5/8, 2 6/8, 2 7/8, 2 8/8, or 3. Well, now that I've broken this down into 8ths, I'm going to go ahead and continue on and put these into 8ths too, so we don't get confused. 1 there and 1 there. 3 1/6 and 1/8, 3 2/8, 3 3/8, 3 4/8, 3 5/8, 3 6/8, 3 7/8, and 4. So now what I'm going to plot is 2 7/8. Where will that go? 2 1/8, 2 2/8, 2 3/8, 2 4/8, 2 5/8, 2 6/8, 2 7/8. All right. Well, now we go to our next component, our improper fraction here, and it's 29 twelfths. All right, so I need to break these into twelfths. Right now they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to add 3 more, right? And I'll double check each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Not 12ths yet. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's add another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Add another one. So now we have 2 and 1 12th, 2 and 2 12ths, 2 and 3 12ths, 2 and 4 12ths, 2 and 5 12ths, 2 and 6 12ths, 2 and 7 12ths, 2 and 8 12ths, 2 and 9 12ths, 2 and 10 12ths, 2 and 11 12ths, 3. So we had to add quite a few more. I had to add on 3 more, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's do the same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 and 1 12th, 3 and 2 12ths, 3 and 3 12ths, 3 and 4 12ths, 3 and 5 12ths, 3 and 6 12ths, 3 and 7 12ths, 3 and 8 12ths, 3 and 9 12ths, 3 and 10 12ths, 3 and 11 12ths, and 4. So we're all set up. But now we're looking at this problem. It says 29 12ths. So am I going to go like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20. I don't have enough. So what's the problem here? Well, take a look. We have, if I were to break this down in using a number pawn, I would start at 12 because that's already one whole, right? There's 12 over here from 0, from, let's try this again. From 0 to 1 to 2. We already have 12 there, 12 there. So it's going to land somewhere over here, and I know that's kind of difficult to wrap our brains around. So maybe we better do a number line. Break this down in number bonds. Well, think about 12 times 1 is 12, right? Think about 12 toes, the video we watched a few times. 12 times 2 is 24. And 12 times 3 is 36. So I must have 12 times 2. So I'm going to put 24 12ths. And that is 2, right? 24 divided by 12 is 2. And that leaves me over with 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 5 12ths. So basically what we're establishing is that 29 12ths is 2 and 5 12ths, right? 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 12ths. 2 and 1 12th, 2 and 2 12th, 2 and 3 12th, 2 and 4 12th, 2 and 5 12ths. Okay? So now I'm ready to label. Okay, right here we have 29 12ths are 2 and 5 12ths. But I'm going to stick with this. We have 3 and 1 6. Whoops, what did I do? 3 and 1 6. It's are 3 and 2 12ths. I'm like, what? And then finally 2 and 7 8ths. So it's something kind of interesting here. You could see that 7 8ths would be the equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 12ths. And 1 6 is equivalent to 2 12ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 and 2 12ths is equivalent to 3 and 1 6. Interesting, no? Now our next section, it says use the number line in this problem to compare the fractions by writing greater than, less than, or equal to. So we're going to do a little comparison here, and I'm going to write 29 12ths, and draw a line right there, and 2 and 7 8ths. Well, which one's greater? Well, obviously 2 and 7 8ths is greater than 29 12ths, so any alligator eats 2 and 7 8ths. And let's compare 29 12ths with 3 and 1 6. And what's greater? Once again, 3 and 1 6 is greater than 29 12ths. Now, the people at Eureka did want us to do this without all of the measuring like that, and maybe we'll get to that, but You know, this is a pretty complicated lesson, and I thought we should just take it slow. And tomorrow we're going to do something very similar, and we'll also work on this on today's Wednesday. We'll work on this Thursday and Friday. We won't be doing a number talk. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Don't worry, math wizards, if you're having a hard time understanding this. This is 4th grade math we're doing. But I appreciate you trying so hard. And I'm looking forward to getting, Kaylin, I know, told me she mailed her one-pager. So I'm looking forward to either getting that by text, the California Gold Rush one-pager, or by United States Postal Service. Don't forget, we have science today. We also have language arts, and that'll be all. Hope you're having a wonderful day.